Good evening, students. So today we are going to learn the topic, that is, yesterday we seen the height topic, concept of height. When the heights of triangles are equal, when the given triangles have common vertex, and if the given triangles lie between same parallels, then their heights are equal. म्हणजे जेव्हा दोन त्रिकोणांना किंवा तीन त्रिकोणांना सामायिक शिरोबिंदू असतो आणि दिलेले दोन त्रिकोण दोन समांतर रेषेमध्ये जेव्हा स्थित असतात तेव्हा त्यांच्या उंची समान असतात. आता आज आपल्याला मी हा त्रिकोण एक घेतला, ए बी सी, आणि दुसरा त्रिकोण घेतला पी क्यू आर. आता या दोन त्रिकोणांच्या क्षेत्रफळाचा आपल्याला तुलनात्मक अभ्यास करायचा आहे. वी हॅव टू लर्न कंपॅरेटिव्ह स्टडी ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ बोथ द ट्रायंगल्स. सो फॉर कंपॅरिझन वी ऑलवेज यूज दी रेशो. म्हणजे तुलना करण्यासाठी आपण दोन घटकामध्ये जर तुलना करायची असेल तर आपण गुणोत्तर घेतो, रेशो घेतो. मी म्हटलं A has ₹10 and B has ₹20. Then what will be ratio? So A upon B equals to 10 upon 20. So 0 0 get cancelled. Ratio will be 1 upon 2, or 1 is to 2. 1 is to 2. Ratio we can write this in a fraction form, in proportion form. It means 1 divided by 2, 1/2. So all have same meaning, and ratio we can express, any number can be expressed in three forms, that is p by q form, that is numerator denominator form, percentage form, that is 1/2 means 50%, or decimal form. Decimal form means 1 upon 2 means 0.5. So meaning of all these three forms are same, that is 1 upon 2 means 50% means 0.5. all have same meaning. म्हणजे ह्या तिघांचाही अर्थ सारखाच आहे. आता आपल्याला या त्रिकोणामध्ये या दोन त्रिकोणांच्या क्षेत्रफळाचा तुलनात्मक अभ्यास करायचा आहे. So for comparison in areas of two triangles we are going to use ratio. So basic formula to find area of triangle ABC equals to, our formula is 1/2 base into height. So in this triangle, if BC base is considered, then what will be height? This AD will act as a height. So BC and AD will be corresponding height. Now if in the triangle PQR, QR is the base and this PS is the height. So area of triangle ABC equals to 1/2 into base is BC into height is AD. Now similarly, area of triangle PQR, area of triangle PQR is equal to 1/2 base into height. What is the base? QR is the base and PS height. QR into PS. Let this equation as a 1 and this equation as a 2. Now we have to take the ratio. We have to compare areas of two triangles. म्हणजे या दोन त्रिकोणांच्या क्षेत्रफळाचा आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे? तुलना करायची आहे. मग तुलना करण्यासाठी आपण काय वापरतो? रेशो, गुणोत्तर वापरतो. टू फाइंड रेशो डिवाइड इक्वेशन 1/2. So dividing equation 1 by equation 2. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to 1/2 BC into AD upon 1/2 QR into BS. How to divide, multiply the equations? Do the operations left terms at left and division of right terms at right. Whenever we have to multiply equation 1 by 2, then this area into this area equals to this RHS into this RHS. So here we are taking the ratio, that is division. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, half BC into AD, BC base, AD height, upon 1/2 base QR and height PS. Now what will happen? Half get cancelled, and what will remain? BC into AD upon QR into PS. And this is very simple theorem. So this theorem is regarding areas of two triangles. Hence the name of this theorem is ratio of areas of two triangles. So this is our 10th standard first theorem. Very easy. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equals to base into height upon base into height, because half get cancelled. So how we can state this step? This is the geometrical step. Ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to ratio of product of bases and corresponding heights. तर याचं आपल्याला वाचन कसं करता येईल? दोन त्रिकोणांच्या क्षेत्रफळांचे गुणोत्तर हे त्या त्रिकोणाचा पाया आणि संगत उंची यांच्या गुणाकाराच्या गुणोत्तरा एवढे असते. आणि म्हणून हा आपला पहिला थेरम आहे. स्टेटमेंट काय? रेशो ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ टू ट्रायंगल्स इज इक्वल टू रेशो ऑफ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ बेसेस अँड करस्पॉन्डिंग हाइट्स. तर हा आपला सगळ्यात पहिला टॉपिक होता की रेशो ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ टू ट्रायंगल्स. आता याच्या काही कॉरोलरी जर आपण बघितल्या की आपण केसेस घेऊया. आता फर्स्ट केस, समजा मी असं म्हटलं या ट्रायंगलचा बेस आहे 10 सेंटीमीटर आणि याही ट्रायंगलचा बेस आहे 10 सेंटीमीटर. तर काय होईल? व्हॉट विल हॅपन इफ बोथ ट्रायंगल्स हॅव इक्वल बेस? म्हणजे दोन्ही त्रिकोणांचा पाया जर सारखा असेल तर काय होईल? हा BC आणि हा QR इथंही 10 येईल आणि इथंही 10 येईल. देन 10 10 कॅन्सल. देन व्हॉट विल रिमेन? हाईट अपॉन हाईट. समजा या ट्रायंगलचा हाईट 5 आहे, याची हाईट 5 आहे. मग काय होईल? 5 5 कॅन्सल, बेस अपॉन बेस. आणि जर दोन्ही इक्वल असेल तर सगळंच कॅन्सल होईल. ठीक आहे ना? हाफ बेस बेस इक्वल कॅन्सल, हाईट इक्वल कॅन्सल. व्हॉट विल रिमेन? 1 upon 1 means areas will be equal, same. So this first condition, if area of triangle ABC, let be letter A1, and for area of triangle PQR A2, this base is B1 and height is H1, base is B2 and height is H2. So in short we can write area of first triangle upon area of second triangle is equal to base into height upon base into height. Base into height upon base into height. So when this condition to be arranged when whereas base is different and heights are also different. That is, base is not equal, height is not equal. Then ratio of areas of two triangles equals to ratio of product of base and corresponding heights. Second case, A1 upon A2 is equal to. Now, if base is equal, then half half cancel, base cancel, height upon height. So, this ratio will be H1 upon H2, where base is same. So, when bases are equal, then ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to ratio of corresponding heights. Then third condition, A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2. When H1 equals to H2, and when base is same, height is also same, then what will happen? A1 upon A2 equals to 1 upon 1. That is, areas will be equal. A1 equals to A2. So by using this concept, that is ratio of areas of two triangles, we can attain the practice set 1.1. So in a practice set, see the first example. Base of triangle is 9 and height is 5. Base of another triangle is 10 and height is 6. Then find the ratio of areas of these triangles. So first example, what is given? This is practice set. One point one. First example, so we can write the given information, that is base is 9, B1 equals to 9 and height is 5. And for second triangle, this is the triangle having area A1, and for second triangle A2, base is given 10 and height is given 6, and it is asked to find ratio of areas of these triangles. So solution, you have to find A1 upon A2. How to solve? Solution, A1 upon A2 is equal to, which formula? B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. When this property we can use? When base is different and height is also different. Bases are not equal and heights are not equal. So here we can write the name of theorem which we are using, that is by ratio of areas of two triangles. Now place the values. Base B1 is 9, height is 5. Now substitute B2 H2, 10 and 6. 10 into 6. Now go for cancellation. Here both the terms we can divide by 3. 3, 3, 9, 3, 2, 6. These two terms divisible by 5. 5, 1, 5, 5, 2, 10. Now write the product of numerator at numerator, product of denominators at denominator. 3 into 1, 3, upon 2 into 2, 4. So this is the answer of first question, that is ratio of. Therefore, always write our final answer in a box. Ratio of areas of two triangles is 3 upon 4, and box the answer. So like in this way we can attempt this first question. Do you got it? So base is given 9 and height of first triangle is 5. Base of second triangle 10, height is 6. And it is asked to find ratio of areas of two triangles. So A1 upon A2 equals to base into height upon base into height, because half get cancelled. So when this property can be used, if bases are different, heights are different. So always name the theorem by ratio of areas of two triangles. And now substitute the values 9 into 5 upon 10 into 6, and now go for cancellation and find our final answer. Okay, so this is the first question. Now we will see the second question. The diagram is given like in this way. This is triangle ABC, right angle triangle, and this is triangle BAD. Here we are given BC is 4 and AD is 8, and it is asked, that is find area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ABD. Now tell me how to solve this sum. So area upon area equals to, here we are looking AB is the common base to both the triangles. Base of triangle ABC is AB, and base of triangle DAB is also AB. Now area of triangle ABC 1/2 AB into CB. Area of triangle BAD 1/2 AB into AD. Now half get cancelled. Base AB cancel. Then what will remain? BC upon AD. So always write this step. First step, that is height upon height. So by ratio of areas of two triangles, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BAD is equal to height upon height. So here regarding this common base AB, CB and AD are corresponding heights. So always take the corresponding heights. Corresponding height is very important. So CB, this height upon this height. CB upon AD. And give the support AB as a common base. AB is common base. And now place the values. CB is 4, AD is 8. 4 upon 8. 4 1 4, 4 2 8, 1/2. And this is our answer. So write the final answer and box it. So this is second question. So third question. Stop. To save our time, I have directly written the questions from practice set 1.1. So third question, triangle PQR, if RQ is the base, then what will be corresponding height? PS.
Yes.
If PR is the base, then what will be corresponding height? QT. So same formula, that is area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle PQR is equal to 1/2. If RQ is base, then height will be PS.
Yes.
And 1/2, if PR is the base, then corresponding height will be QT. And substitute the values. As usual, half get cancelled. That is ratio of areas of two triangles equals to ratio of product of bases and corresponding heights. So substituting the values, RQ 6, PS 6. Now PR is 12 and QT to find. Now triangle is same, so area of triangle get cancelled, ratio will be 1/1. Now cancel this 6 1 6, 6 2 12. We can reduce by 2, 2 1 2, 2 3 6. Now 1/1 equals to 3/QT. Now go for cross multiplication. QT into 1, QT. And 1 into 3, 3. So length of QT is 3 unit. So like in this way, easily we can attempt this question. That is area of triangle, same triangle is same, but this base and this height, corresponding height given, and this base and this height to find. So area upon area equals to half RQ into PS upon 1/2 PR into QT. And half get cancelled, base into height upon base into height, and directly place the values. Base is 6, height 6. Base is 12, height will be to find QT. And go for reduction, and by cross multiplication we get the final step. Now this fourth question, after observing both the triangles, what is our conclusion? That is both triangles lie between same parallels. So we have given AD parallel to BC. So if the lines are parallel, then heights of triangles are equal. So this is first triangle ABC, and this is second triangle, that is DBC. What is our observation? In blue and yellow, that is triangle ABC and triangle DBC, both triangles have common base, that is BC. Then if we take height of this triangle like in this way, then height of yellow triangle will be like in this way. But between two parallel lines, distance is always same. So height of triangle ABC and height of triangle DCB are equal. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BCD, base is same, height is also same. Then area will be 1/1. And therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BCD is equal to base half get cancelled, base BC is common base, get cancelled, and both triangles lie between same parallels, therefore heights are equal. So directly we can write 1/1. So we can arrange this step also like in this way. 1/2 base is BC and height H, because both triangles have same height, H1 and H2 are equal, 1/2. Base of this triangle BCD is BC and height is H. So H1 H2 are equal, get cancel, half get cancel, BC get cancel. So area will be 1/1. So always write our final answer in terms of asked question. So how the question is asked? Area is to area. So area is to area, 1 is to 1. So final answer, area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle BCD is equal to 1 is to 1. And this is our answer. If the justification like in this way is not given, then write by using ratio of areas of two triangles. Now, this is for homework, that is area of triangle PQB. So PQB is here, this is PQB, this small triangle, and triangle PBC, this blue triangle, triangle PBC. So what is our observation? Both the triangles have this common vertex P, therefore heights are equal. Then which property? Base upon base. So area of triangle PQB upon area of triangle PBC equals to 1/2 BQ into PQ upon 1/2 BC into PQ. Half cancel. Height PQ cancel. What will remain? Base upon base. So directly we can write the answer, that is area of triangle PQB, base is BQ, and triangle PBC, base is BC. Half and height get cancelled. So always these two important conditions keep in mind, that is if triangles lie between same parallels, heights are equal. If triangles have common vertex, heights are equal. म्हणजे जेव्हा दोन त्रिकोण समांतर रेषेमध्ये असतील, उंची समान. जेव्हा दोन त्रिकोणांना एकच शिरोबिंदू असतो सामायिक, तेव्हा त्या बिंदूतून टाकलेली उंची काय असते? समान असते. आणि म्हणून या ठिकाणी हाफ आणि हाईट कॅन्सल होईल आणि काय उरेल? बेस अपॉन बेस. मग आता एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल PBC अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC. PBC and ABC. ABC is big triangle. So what is our observation? What is common in both the triangles? See again, PBC and this ABC. In both the triangles, BC is common base. Now half cancel, base cancel. What will remain? Height upon height. So height of triangle PBC is PBC. Height is PQ. It is perpendicular already given. And area of triangle ABC. ABC height is AD. And give the support that if BC is common base by using ratio of areas of two triangles theorem. Now third, see area of triangle ABC. ABC means this big triangle, हा मोठा त्रिकोण. आणि ADC. आता या दोन त्रिकोणात काय दिसते? ही जी ए बिंदूतून काढलेली उंची आहे ती काय कॉमन आहे दोन्ही ट्रायंगल साठी, कारण हा कॉमन व्हर्टेक्स आहे. त्यामुळे ही हाईट दोन्ही त्रिकोणासाठी सारखीच असणार. आणि म्हणून या मोठ्या त्रिकोणाचं क्षेत्रफळ ABC आणि या छोट्या ADCचं क्षेत्रफळ काय येईल? पाया छेद पाया, बेस अपॉन बेस. मग मोठ्या त्रिकोणाचा बेस कोणता? BC. आणि या ADCचा बेस कोणता? BC. आणि हाईट काय असणार आहे? सारखी. हाईट दोन्हीची सेमच असणार. आणि म्हणून एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ADC, हाफ कॅन्सल, हाईट कॅन्सल, बेस अपॉन बेस. व्हॉट इज द बेस ऑफ ABC? corresponding to this height BC, and triangle ADC base is DC. Finish. Now fourth last, area of triangle ADC means this triangle, and area of triangle PQC this triangle. What is our observation? ADC and PQC. In both the triangles, base is different, height is different. That is first property. By using ratio of areas of two triangles, half cancel, base into height upon base into height. First case. So ADC having base DC and height AD upon, for triangle PQC base is QC and height is PQ. QC into PQ. So like in this way easily we can find the answers of these four questions and give the support, that is by using ratio of areas of two triangles. तर अशा प्रकारे हा एक्सरसाइज अत्यंत सोपा आहे की याच्यामध्ये हा तिसरा प्रश्न होता, त्याच्यामध्ये त्रिकोण एकच आहे पण त्याचा हा पाया आणि ही संगत उंची दिली, हा पाया आणि ही संगत उंची दिली, आणि म्हणून क्षेत्रफळ हे दोन्ही त्रिकोण सेमच त्रिकोण असल्यामुळे सारखं असणार आहे, आणि म्हणून क्षेत्रफळाला क्षेत्रफळ कॅन्सल होईल आणि काही 1/1 हाफ कॅन्सल. जर RQ जर पाया घेतला तर संगत उंची PS म्हणून RQ into PS. If PR base, then corresponding height will be QT. PR into QT. So base and corresponding height, this is very important. 1/1. Place the values and find QT. Here, whenever the triangles are looking between same parallels, their heights are always equal. So area upon area equals to base upon base. But here, base is also same. BC is the common base. Height is this. In triangle BCD, this is obtuse angle triangle. Height will be outside. So this is the height. So if the lines are parallel, these heights are equal. And therefore base BC equal, heights are equal. Therefore area upon area equals to 1/1. So we can explain here that is both the triangles lie between same parallel lines, therefore their heights are equal, and both triangles have common base BC, and therefore area will be 1/1. So ratio 1:1. Write our final answer in terms of asked question. जसा प्रश्न विचारलाय तसंच उत्तर पाहिजे. जर मला बोर्डाला विचारलं this upon this तर माझा आन्सर असतं 1/1. मला विचारलं this is to this, मग कसं लिहिणार 1:1. मीनिंग सेमच आहे. आता हा पाचवा जो प्रश्न आहे याच्यामध्ये काय दिले बघा की ह्या काही त्रिकोण याच्यामध्ये आहेत, त्याच्या उंची दाखवलेल्या आहेत आणि हे 4 रेशोंच्या व्हॅल्यूज आपल्याला काढायचे. तर हे आपल्याला ॲज अ होमवर्क मी आता सांगितले त्या प्रकारे द्या. ठीक. नमस्कार.